In this video, we will show you how to use the DJI Air 3 battery charging hub. The DJI Air 3 battery charging hub is designed to charge batteries, which allow you to use the power accumulation function and supply power to external devices. When using it for the first time, you can scan the QR code at the bottom of the battery charging hub to obtain more specifications and usage information. Charging. Please pay attention to the position of the battery port before use. Insert the intelligent flight battery into the battery port of the battery charging hub until you hear a click sound to confirm that the battery is properly installed. Press and hold the battery release button, and then take the battery out. It is recommended to use the charger recommended on the DJI official website to connect the battery charging hub to a power supply. The charging hub will first charge the batteries in sequence from a high to low power level. During charging, the status LED shows the current status. When the LED blinks green, the charging hub is charging the battery, while the battery is fully charged when the LED is solid green. After charging is complete, the battery can be placed in the battery charging hub for storage. Accumulating power. The power accumulation function is newly added. Insert multiple intelligent flight batteries into the battery charging hub. Press and hold the function button until the status LED turns solid green. Then release the button. At this time, the status LED blinks green, and the battery charging hub transfers the remaining power of multiple low-power batteries into the battery with the highest remaining power. To stop accumulating power, press and hold the function button until the status LED turns yellow. After accumulating power, charge the battery with the lowest power level as soon as possible to avoid discharge. Using charging hub as a power bank. The battery charging hub can be used as a power bank to supply power to external devices. Connect the external device and press the function button once. The status LED of the charging hub turns solid green. For some devices that have dual power supply capability and are already powered on, connecting the charging hub will automatically activate the power supply function of the charging hub to supply power to the external device. To stop charging the external device, disconnect the external device from the charging hub. Thank you for watching.